Last month, I made a video about a website that got over 11,000 organic clicks in 3 months. This exact site right now is tripled. We have over 34.1k clicks, total impression of 700 plus, average CTR of 4.8 and average position of 15.8. And all of this is the story of claude-seo.md website with its perfect page speed insights and vitals and everything else. So this whole thing was done for this specific site, which is claude-seo.md. And here we have used only one skill, plus one more. We used Claude SEO skill, everyone, that also has over 14.2k stars on GitHub. So the exact same site was created with the help of this skill, of course with a little bit of design skills, also a few blogs with the help of Claude Blog. And today I'm going to share with you the story of this beautiful website, how it came into fruition, what was done to achieve this score, and just how it got this beautiful performance with no ads, full on organic. 34.1k organic clicks to the docs site for a tool that I gave away. The tool being Claude SEO. And it's a fantastic tool, and the use case for this specifically I use so I can show to the world that hey, you can do like that for your site easily, depending on your niche, and of course if you follow best practices. Because come on, how many of you are paying for SEO agencies? You're waiting weeks and months. Sometimes they are a result, which is perfect, but sometimes they are not. So that's the reason why I made this skill. So it's going to help us achieve things faster, fix our SEO, so we can straight away publish our site or business, so people can see your product or service, and of course we can be found by the right personas. 11,000 became 34,000, and we have increased from 250 clicks per day to roughly about 500 clicks per day. So once again, you can check the video, guys, the previous video about how we got to 11,000 organic clicks. And from that, straight away, boom, look at this beauty. We have here the impressions and total clicks, and you can see that we have started here with 100 clicks, 200 clicks, 100, then slowly it was rising more, 200, 200, 300, 400, 300, 500, 600, 700, and then we have over 500 clicks per day. So this has doubled since the previous month, that being a great achievement. 6 months window, the 4 numbers including the ugly one, which is this here. And the honest truth here is that 34k clicks, yes, it's a great achievement. It's perfect, it's fantastic, this is exactly what you want. But at the same time here is that an average position of 15.8, which is basically here, it'll be great if you can increase it at least to 8.8 or 7, that'll be fantastic. That's gonna at least increase for sure even this whole thing, even quadruple it itself. But so far, I need to convert between these, and the inspirations are still converting from page to placement, which is exactly what the next video is about. So like, subscribe so you can see the next part. Your SEO team inside the terminal, an open source plugin for Claude Code. One command spouts up to 15 specialist agents in parallel and converges them into a single scored prioritized action plan. So here we are talking about the Claude SEO skill that was the main point of achievement of rankings and everything related to this website and in general SEO. So if you don't know or about the skill, if you haven't used it before, then you're gonna find it down in the description. You can try it out, run an audit on your site. Here it's not limited only to Claude. You can also use other agents like Gemini and Codex. And run an audit, check also your page speed insights, your performance, because it's very important, and ensure that if there's, let's say, anything missing here, or if it's yellow or even red, then of course make it at green. Because that's the whole scope, of course, to check that your technicals are properly set and put, so Google can push also your pages properly and your users can have a good experience. We have 25 skills, that being really takes care of everything. SEO, schema, robots, sitemap, AI SEO, GEO, maps, local businesses, language, hreflang, and a few more. So definitely use this skill. If you haven't used it before, I strongly recommend it. One command in and an action plan out, because that's how this whole overall process is. I'll even open right now here a terminal so you'll be able just to see it, because it's very simple. I'm gonna summon my Claude right now here, because I have already installed the Claude SEO skill. I can just put here /SEO audit, and I can put example.com. So the exact same way you can do it, and you don't need to do anything else. Right now you just need to wait your agent to cook. He will audit your site, and then he will suggest you things that you need to change based on best practices of 2026. And like that, hooking your agent to your site or doing the things manually, it's really up to you. But ensure that you fix any sort of SEO issues. So like that, we just have a green goat for rankings. What everyone else is charging for the same thing. Wow, guys. I mean, I think for sure you've used maybe Semrush, Ahrefs, there's also Screaming Fog, DataForSEO. Wow, there's also agencies, there's freelancers that you can ask, hey, can you help me fix my SEO? They charge you $1,000 for the exact same thing. So here, even manual audit takes 4 to 8 hours to do. This one is being done, it's like 10, 15, 20 minutes at max. And it also costs money to make that manual and plus time. Agencies, they will charge you 2 to 15K if really. I mean, that's how agencies charge you. Let's say if to audit their site, your site, for example, to check on mistakes. Will they do a better job? Yes, of course, but you can achieve it even better because only you know your site and this skill got you covered in regards to everything SEO. And commercial tools, I think all of you already know that we mentioned the tools before. They're charging up to from $50, $100, $150, $200 per month. So it does not replace the Screaming Frog for a deep crawl though, and it has no backlink index on its own. So here we have a few APIs also here. So if you want to check, let's say for example, your backlinks, you can use the DataForSEO API endpoint that we have set also inside the skill, for example, because it's much cheaper than any other guys. Plus we have more control there. It also plugs into Ahrefs and DataForSEO once again on pretending to beat them instead of pretending to beat them. So you can connect also if you have an Ahrefs account, you can connect Ahrefs API on again. DataForSEO, you can do it, so you can get relevant, up-to-date information in regards to everything ranking. 2,000 forks, bit more than one maintainer, which is me. We have over 2,000 forks, everyone. People are working on the skill in their own way. They're adding their own sparks. At the same time, we can monitor if they're fully on set and put in public. And skills written by the community at the same time, because I would like to use this opportunity just to let you know, because we do have one community, which is our AR Marketing Hub and AR Marketing Hub Pro. So we have two of them. One is free, one is paid. You choose which one you want to join. The thing is that here inside, we're always communicating on ways on how we can make this skill better. And we also made a few challenges here and there. And these are the contributors also of a few updates, also for claude-seo version 2. So I'd like to use this opportunity to thank you all for contributing. For all the forks, for all the stars, because you are the ones that keep this project going. And basically that's it. What else are you waiting for? Go there, install claude-seo, run an SEO audit on your page, try to fix whatever it found, then run it again till you ensure that you have the perfect score, like this, or go for at least a 90 out of 100. Especially for page speed insights. And as soon as you have finished this task, then you can go for content. You can use maybe Claude blog skill. For reference, you can create pages, you can create articles, newsletters, product pages, service pages, and then you can also easily achieve this exact same result. So once again, guys, this was the story of claude-seo website. Just another checkpoint here 1 month later, 3 times more clicks, and we have more impression, which is fantastic. And this was all achieved with the help of you and also with the help of the current skill. So thank you for watching. Wish you all a great day ahead and talk to you next time. See ya.